Last battery. We get one good clean run from Gallows all the way down. How's the angle feel? Oh, it's in angle mode. There we go. A bit off around here.
That looks so fun to be able to just like go so low and we come to a land.
Yeah. What I'm trying to do now. And then we're going to come up. We're going to flip over here. Go through here.
I'll get that on
Uh-oh. I knew that was going to happen. Let me try and... I think we might have lost a prop there. The reception wasn't as good this time. I don't know what fucking happened. Oh.
It's actually okay, eh?
Yeah. Oh, the beeper! Where is it?
Is the beep?
Where are you, baby?
It is.
Cheers.
Telemetry lost.
So you didn't lose anything else?
No.
What's telemetry? Oh, yeah. Fuck, that's lucky.
Oh, that's a pretty normal crash.
It sounded like such a big hit.
Yeah.
And then down, just
Yeah.
down.